Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from group 4 will present the ISAS project. My name is Maula Disadina. I want to explain a little about the meaning of binary search. Binary search is a phase search algorithm with a running time of complexity or log n. The algorithm for binary search works on the principle of dividing and conquering with an array that is already in an ordered state. Superiority. The main advantage of binary search algorithm is that the complexity of the algorithm is smaller than the complexity of the sequential search algorithm. Weakness. The data must be sorted first and the algorithm is more complicated, not good for chained data. 1. Minimize the number of comparison operations that must be performed between the data source. The data in the table, especially for very large amount of data. 2. The main condition for a binary search is that the data in a table must be sorted. For example, ascending order.
Algorithm of binary search. This is some binary search algorithm that can be wrote. Case study example. An example of binary search action is a guessing game in which player must guess a positive integer chosen by another player between 1 and n, using yes and no answer to question. For example, n is 16 and the selected number is 11. The game can run as we follow. A is the number greater than 8? Yes. B is the number greater than 12? No. C is the number greater than 10? Yes. D is the number greater than 11? No. So, the number must be 11. At each step, we choose a number that is exactly in the middle of the range of possible values. For example, when we know the number is greater than 8 but less than or equal to 12, we know to choose a number in the middle of the range 9 or 12. In this case, 10 is optimal.
The next is our program. In this slide, we can see the example from our group of binary search. The result of our program is if there is a data in the program, the result is nilai ditemukan. But if there is no data in our program, nilai tidak ditemukan. So the conclusion that can be drawn from this binary search paper is that the binary search algorithm is used to search for data on a set of data or records that are already in ordered state in the field of data search. With this binary search, we can make it easier for humans to work in terms of finding a data, so that it can create a program that is useful and has economic value. And the suggestion from our group is be careful in calculating the binary code, careful in calculating the middle value of the binary code, and the most important thing is careful in entering the programming language when compiling. So that's all from us. Sorry if there is a mistake. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.